Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on GitHub. To begin, navigate to the GitHub website and create a free account if you do not already have one. This platform is primarily for hosting code and collaborative development, not for direct game execution. You will use GitHub to find and manage Roblox-related development projects, such as scripts or open-source tools. Understanding this distinction is key to effectively leveraging GitHub for your Roblox endeavors. Next, utilize the search bar at the top of the GitHub interface. Enter keywords like Roblox Lua scripts, Roblox game templates, or Roblox tools to find relevant repositories. You can filter results by programming language, often Lua for Roblox development, to narrow your search. Look for repositories with active development and clear documentation to ensure they are well-maintained and useful for your projects. This step helps you discover valuable community-contributed resources. Once you have found a suitable repository, you can either clone it to your local machine using Git or simply download the repository as a zip file. After downloading, open your Roblox Studio environment. You can then import the scripts, models, or other assets into your own Roblox game project. Always remember to review the license agreement for each repository to ensure you comply with the terms of use before integrating any code or assets. Finally, for advanced users, GitHub offers powerful collaboration features. You can modify existing code, create pull requests to suggest improvements, or even start your own Roblox development project. Learning version control allows you to track changes, revert to previous versions, and collaborate seamlessly with other developers. This approach transforms playing Roblox into developing for Roblox, leveraging GitHub as a robust platform for creation and community engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.